Alright, we're going to take a stroll down deck 2 of the Carnival Miracle. This is the Phantom Theater, and right now they're having bingo. Bingo. So get ready to yell. Bingo. Let's go forward. Or aft. We are forward. This is what they call Metropolis. It's the last day of the cruise, so people are a little excitable. There's a lot of milling about and arguing and complaining. This is the Java bar, or the coffee bar, costs extra. Maybe included with the drink plan. This is the Red Frog Pub. This is a nice place to hang out. We got a lot of games in here, like that. They have a band in here at night. Lots of fun. And this is the Skybox Sports Bar. So guess what they're gonna have? That's right. A lot of televisions showing sports, right? And people hanging out in here too. This is the Java Blue Cafe. Another piano. They play a lot of trivia and games down here. This is the Internet Cafe. See that? Internet Cafe. And these, this is the casino, right? This side is non-smoking, that side is all smoking. Got some table games, roulette, blackjack, cashier. Lots of fun, lots of noise, lots of money. How exciting. Somebody's helping them get their bill. There's the Metropolis lobby. This is the midship elevator and stair tower. So this is another lounge. We'll take a spin past the elevators. These are the glass elevators. None of them are down right now. This is shore excursion desk. Guest services. Go figure. Got a big line. There's a glass elevator. Metropolis bar. Stairs leading up to where the photos are. Dr. Frankenstein's lab is down here. Maybe we'll drop in on him. This is the Alchemy Bar. Alchemy. See the sign? Alchemy Bar. Got a little band playing there every night. I say band, sometimes they're just one person or two. This is Dr. Frankenstein's lab. We'll just walk in. It's 2-story. So it's also down there on deck 1. And there's the man himself. Well, not Doc. His creation. Go back out here and finish up, because we're all the way at the back of the ship now. To the Bacchus dining room, which we saw from above, if you watched that video. If you didn't, then you didn't see it. Let's see what happens if I turn this handle and pull that door. See? That's it.
Hi, how are you?
I'm great, how are you?
Good.
All right, now you're in the video. And so, from deck 2 of the Carnival Miracle, this is Gareth from Port Monkeys saying, Port Monkeys out. See you in the next port. Bye.